Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone and plan support GP roaming and that you've updated carrier profiles. Open settings and enable mobile data, location, and roaming so the network can register you. If your carrier uses eSIM, load the alternate eSIM or insert a spare SIM now. This prevents losing service during handoffs. Once done, restart the radio or the phone to force a fresh network scan and prepare for the next configuration steps. You now configure the roaming profile. Go to Mobile Network Settings and set the APN and roaming protocol to the carrier-recommended values, typically LTE with 3G fallback. If your device lets you install a GP roaming profile or choose an eSIM profile, activate that profile and make it primary for roaming. Once activated, manually prioritize preferred partner networks if available so you avoid unstable connections. Then run a registration test by making a call and loading a web page to confirm data and voice work. Finish by confirming your roaming plan is active with billing accepted so the carrier won't block access. Make a final check, test calls, SMS, and data transfer, measure speeds and ensure calls hand off cleanly. If things go wrong, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode, reselect the preferred network manually, or remove and reapply the eSIM/SIM to force re-registration. If problems persist, capture network ID and timestamps, then contact the carrier with those details for focused support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.